I think there's going to be big questions for Simon Harris in the finance ministry. And crucially, Paschal Donohoe was that axis. He was that kind of problem solver within the cabinet. He was respected. He was a sounding board. People would listen to his voice at the cabinet table and in cabinet subcommittees. And
he was respected.
He was very respected when big decisions need to be made. I don't think that figure is there anymore.
Okay.
Apart from perhaps Micheál Martin, but Micheál Martin seems to be relishing being the Taoiseach on the world stage, perhaps arguably more than he does sitting around making tough decisions.
Let's talk about the reshuffle that happened with the Fine Gael. Obviously, as you mentioned, Simon Harris gave himself a promotion and now he's going to be finance minister as well as Taoiseach, which I don't know if we've seen before. So as we were writing
better man than yourself.
Well, as we, there is the power grab on his part that he was able to hold on to the Taoiseach role, but also become the finance minister as well. There has been that kind of quartet at the top of government with, Taoiseach, Taoiseach, finance and public expenditure. Now that's down to 3. As we were writing, he kind of, not that there was imminent threats to his leadership, any threat at all that might have been even on the horizon or people might have even been thinking about it's very different now because he is finance and Taoiseach and Fine Gael leader. It's very difficult to kind of get rid of an individual with that many roles.